Do you want a remote job that pays you $18,500 per month? Well, if you want more deets about this, stick with me and I'm going to be dropping more details with you.
Welcome to the Wealth Legacy Movement, the space where we help you build your wealth legacy through entrepreneurship, side hustles, high-paying jobs, and real estate ownership.
This position is a target, and as you can see, all you have to do is search for target careers. At the location area, you put remote. Where you have keyword, you can put, say, customer service. As you can see, it has to do with experience. So once you put customer service, several positions are going to come up. What I did, I put customer service and a couple of jobs came up, but this one kind of caught my eye, so I decided to share this one. This is not for everybody. I'm going to be honest with you, because you need to have experience and therefore it's not for everybody. So make sure that you go through the job description so you won't waste your time to apply and not getting through. All right. So as you can see, you need to have a 4-year degree or equivalent experience. And as you can see here, it says 10 years of experience in marketing research, customer insights, and or experience insights. And so I'm thinking if you have these 10 years of experience but don't have the 4-year degree, I think that would suffice. So if you have the years of experience but don't have the degree personally, I would send in my application, because like it says here, 4-year degree or equivalent experience. So it says client side experience leading customer experience capabilities and experience with customer experience platform examples: Qualtrics, InMoment, SMG, Medallia. Strong knowledge of qualitative, quantitative, syndicated, and first-party insight tools. Ability to synthesize and clearly communicate complex findings to focus on the critical implications and opportunities. Strong coaching, mentoring, and leadership skills. So you can go through the other part of the JD and see what it says. As you can see, it says the salary range is $123,100 up to $221,600, and this is per year. So look at the job description and see if you meet any part of it. First of all, you will never meet like 100% of what they're looking for, but if you think you have most of what they're looking for, go ahead and drop your application in. I'm going to be dropping the link in the description so you can go ahead and use it, and it's going to take you directly to this page rather than you searching for this position. Like I've said in the beginning, this is not for everybody, right? Because not everybody has a 4-year degree, not everybody has a 10-year experience, right? So know what you have, look at the job description, and then if it works for you, then you apply. All right. Thank you so much for joining me today. I'll talk to you soon. Don't forget though to like this video, subscribe to our channel to help us to reach more people. You know, here at the Wealth Legacy Movement, we're on a mission to help so many more people start living a happier, more fulfilling, and a financially free life. We do this by exposing you to entrepreneurship, property ownership, side hustle, and high paying jobs. So help us to reach more of you by engaging with us, sharing, and subscribing to the channel. Thank you so much. I'll talk to you soon. More blessing, friends.